Hello everyone, today I made something special for you. I'm gonna teach you how you can make ice cream from the yogurt and the chocolate. So let's do it. For this recipe, you will need only 4 ingredients to start with: yogurt, dark chocolate, sugar and glucose. You start with melting chocolate on bain-marie, and then you mix yogurt, sugar and glucose inside the blender. I'm using also a little bit of cinnamon for bonus taste, but you can of course use different spices. You can make this recipe without the glucose, but the ice cream will not get perfect consistency and it can get too hard. And when the chocolate is melted, I'm gonna mix the yogurt inside slowly, part by part. Then I transfer everything again inside the blender and blitz it for just 1 minute so I make sure everything is combined properly. And at this point, you want to move it inside the plastic container and leave it inside the fridge overnight to set. And the next day, you can freeze it inside the ice cream machine or freezer if you want to. And easy but super tasty ice cream is done. For the plating, I will do small spoon of biscuit crumble and ice cream on the top. Enjoy, guys! And if you want to learn another ice cream, check out this video and learn how you can make my favorite white chocolate ice cream. Thank you for watching and I see you soon.